Hello guys and welcome to today's video. We're going to be taking a look at the British Commandos set from Italeri number 6064. Now this set, as the picture would suggest, focuses on the late war sort of British commandos, and this particular box set consists of 50 figures and is box set number 6064 as I've already mentioned, and the scale of these particular models is 1/72, but I'm sure you guys are all over that already. Now there is a brief illustration on the back that gives you some sort of idea of how you should be painting these particular commandos, so it's a really nice little addition from Italeri. Now these particular figures are old ESCI figures, and they were manufactured in 1983, or at least the original sculpts were. I'm not too sure when these Italeri ones were actually made, and it consists of 50 figures, although this particular set has 48 because I've already painted 2, and if you want to see those, they will be at the end of the video, and I also have a tutorial too which you'll be able to check out too if you want to. And within those 50 figures, there is 15 different poses, so not a huge variety, but that's what you get with Italeri and ESCI. That's part of the norm. So let's take a closer look at what you get on those sprues. Now, the first set, these particular figures come in batches of 5, and you can see we've got a guy throwing a grenade, we've got a couple of guy crawling, a couple of running, and another one sort of, I don't know, contemplating life, I suppose. Now, there is a bit of variety, but they've not been too great in terms of making the poses look actiony or like realistic. There's loads of silent Sten guns, and I'm not exactly too sure how sort of regular they were, but yeah, we've got more silent Sten here. These are more of like your sort of commanders, and I believe you get 3 of these poses. We've got a guy with the mortar, again, looks very unnatural the way it's just resting on his leg, and a commando that's unfortunately passed away. But the typical sort of detail that you'd get in these ESCI Italeri figures is great. Very little flash as well, so it's going to be very easy to clean up. My only criticism is always that support beam going into the head. That just makes life very difficult on the cleanup. And then we've got some more guys running with their Stens. We've got a couple of different Stens there, some silent, some not. And we've got a guy loading his Bren. I actually think that's really cool. You don't really see too many Bren gunners loading the magazine, so yeah, that's a nice little addition, to be fair. But yeah, not a huge lot of variety in terms of their poses, and a lot of them don't look natural, which is a shame, but I still like this set. Obviously it's very good for the nostalgia, and there's lots of detail in the facial areas as well as the actual guns themselves and the uniform, so it makes painting very easy. But yeah, not Italeri or ESCI's best set in my opinion, at least anyway. But let me know in the comment section what you think of this set. Yeah, I'd probably give it like a 6.5 out of 10. So, as I said, I've got painting tutorials on these guys, so if you want to check those out, a link will be popping up on the top right of the screen right now. You can find it in one of my 172 tutorial playlists, and there's plenty of other toy soldiers on there as well, so do go check them out, show them some love, subscribe, like and share if you're new to the channel. But other than that guys, I'm going to leave it here. Don't forget to comment below, and until then I will catch you at the next one.